The new Samsung Galaxy A56 is fitted with a collection of features. It is still supremely mid-range, although better than all others in the A catalog, and specifications to make it more reasonable. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Galaxy A56 is a far better performer due to its Exynos 1580 chipset, along with a 2.8 GHz octa-core CPU, ensures that it will deliver mind-blowing performance. With these powerful processors, it's a fully HD display with a Super AMOLED touchscreen display with a 6.7 inches screen size that can support a high resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and will be 120 Hz refresh rate. So you will have impressive performance. And there is a triple camera system back on the phone. Main sensor is 50 megapixel and second is 12 megapixel. On the front of the phone, there is a 12 megapixel camera. The phone is rust and waterproof. The new Samsung Galaxy A56 is equipped with a massive RAM of 8 GB and an internal memory of 256 GB. Samsung Galaxy A56 is going to spend the whole day with you because of its large 5000 mAh battery. That's all for now and thanks for watching.